Hi everyone! I just wanted to remind you how to find your book in your Google Classroom, and also when you have an assignment that is assigned with a page number in it, that is where you're going to find your assignment in your book. So here you can see your Google Classroom on this page, and in your Google Classroom, you're going to click Classwork and scroll up, and off to the left here, you will click on Chapter 1. And let me move this over so you can actually see it. Let's see. All right, there we go. All right, there. So off to the left here, you see where it says Chapter 1 in your Google Classroom. That is Chapter 1 of your book. Click it, and this is the scanned copy of your science book. So when you have an assignment that has a page number, like currently we worked on your vocabulary review on page 14 and your chapter quiz on page 15 of your book. So you click on Chapter 1, open up your book, and scroll down to pages 14 and 15 in your book. And here we go. Here is your vocabulary review on page 14 and your chapter quiz on page 15. And when we worked on this together in class, I asked that you either complete it on your own piece of paper at home or open up a Google Doc and complete it. Now, if you weren't with us that day, that's fine, because now in your Google Classroom under week 3, if you open up that assignment, I've gone ahead and created a Google Doc for you, and it's labeled. So here's the chapter quiz. You can go ahead and type in your, make a copy and type in your Google Doc and complete the chapter quiz and the vocab review. Make sure you go ahead and make that copy and do it. Type in your own copy. If you have finished it on your own Google Doc, you can attach it to the assignment and submit it accordingly. Now remember, in our Google Classroom, we have a resources tab, and in that resources tab, I have submitted a video showing you 2 different ways of how to turn in your assignments. The first video lets you know how to submit an assignment with your Google Doc that you've created on your own. And further on down, if you remember earlier in the year, I showed you a video of how to submit assignments with your own, when you've written down on your own paper, by taking a picture and submitting it that way. So there's 2 different ways of submitting assignments: when you've typed on your own Google Doc and when you have written on your own paper. So let me know if you have any questions. All right? Bye.